First at 10, caught in a robbery gone wrong. An innocent bystander shot, a young mother killed. We're hearing from her angry husband tonight. Deputies say it all started when a man tried to rob a check cashing store near Fort Lauderdale. There was a shootout, 3 people hit, the suspect, the innocent bystander, injured. The young woman who died was a clerk at the store. CBS 4's Carrie Codd is live at Broward General Medical Center. Carrie, your husband found out about this by watching the news?
That's exactly what he told us, Cynthia. He said he was watching television, saw this on the news, that the scene was occurring at his wife's store. He said he called detectives, he called the sheriff's office. He said they told him that his wife had indeed been shot. Now this man is left to raise the couple's nearly 1-year-old son alone. James Sainville did not want to show his face, but he is a man in pain over the death of his wife, Claire Geffrard, after she was killed inside the check cashing store where she worked.
Yeah, I can't even stay here by myself, because if I stay by myself, I'm gonna feel like killing myself. So right now, I can't even cry.
Sainville knows his wife won't be around to celebrate the first birthday of their son, Jameer. He will turn 1 in less than a week. Around 9:30 Tuesday morning, Broward Sheriff's deputies arrived at the check cashing store on West Sunrise Boulevard. Investigators say a gunman, Stanley Beasley, robbed the store. During the robbery, an employee pressed a silent alarm. BSO rushed to the store and says they encountered Beasley outside. There was an exchange of gunfire. Beasley was hit. His body lay in front of a SWAT van. BSO says Beasley had a duffel bag full of money. Also hit in the shooting, an innocent bystander, Jorge Aguilar, shot while buying a tire at a store across the street. Initially, BSO thought there might be another suspect inside the store. When they went inside, they found the body of Claire Geffrard. She was taken to the hospital and died.
She was a nice person. I used to go down there and get checks, money orders and things, because I feel sorry for the family.
Her husband said he encouraged his wife to finish college and find a safer profession. It's not clear whether the suspect, Stanley Beasley, fired the fatal shot that killed Sainville's wife. His husband, though, believes Beasley is responsible for his wife's death.
I think this guy is not a human being, right? Because he doesn't even kill my wife. He kills me too. He kills the family, because everybody is in pain.
Now, the suspect, Stanley Beasley, was brought here to Broward General for treatment. BSO says Beasley has a lengthy rap sheet, including arrests for robbery, burglary, and grand theft. BSO continues to investigate the circumstances around this shooting. Live in Fort Lauderdale, Carrie Codd, CBS 4 News at 10.
Unbelievable. Thanks for that, Carrie.